If you run a small business, OBA just saved one of the most valuable tax deductions in history, and now it's permanent. Under the One Big Beautiful Bill Act, the 20% small business deduction that was set to disappear after 2025 is now here to stay forever. Now, this is day 10 of me breaking down the One Big Beautiful Bill Act over the next 30 days. So let's look what just happened. Now, before OBA, small business owners operating as pass-through entities, that's S corporations, partnerships, LLCs, and sole proprietors, they could deduct up to 20% of qualified business income under Section 199A. This was part of the 2017 Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, but it was scheduled to expire after December 31st of 2025. Without OBA, starting in 2026, 30 million small businesses would have lost this deduction entirely. Now, after OBA, that 20% deduction is now made permanent. It's not extended for a few years, it's made permanent forever. So here's what you need to know. Number one is, this affects 30 million small businesses across America. If you're a pass-through NC owner, this is for you. Number two is, let's just do the math. If your qualified business income is $200,000, you can deduct $40,000, which is 20% of $200,000. If you're in the 24% tax bracket, that $40,000 deduction saves you $9,600 in taxes. Without OBA, you'd lose that $9,600 starting in 2026. And then third is income limitations still apply. The deduction phases out for certain businesses like law, accounting, and health at higher income levels. $191,950 for single filers and $383,900 for married filing jointly in 2025. Number four is this deduction applies to your qualified business income after you pay your reasonable compensation if you're an S corp. Number five is for family farms specifically. Keeping this deduction permanent saves them $2.5 billion in taxes. For farmers utilizing this deduction, losing it would have increased their tax bill by $2,500 each. Number six is this stacks with other business deductions. You can take this 20% deduction and your normal business income deductions. Number seven is you don't need to itemize to get this. It's an above the line deduction that reduces your taxable income directly. So for entrepreneurs, freelancers, contractors, local shop owners, and the 98% of farmers that are pass-throughs, this permanence means that you can plan long-term without worrying about tax cliffs. So that's your day 10 update on the One Big Beautiful Bill Act, making permanent one of the most valuable small business deductions in American tax history. Tomorrow, we're diving into something that's supercharging America's factory floors, which is 100% expensing for new manufacturing facilities. So make sure you follow the series.